Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a very common problem in many basements, I cannot say all, is the sound, noise. Because when you have people living upstairs and you have connectivities, there's like always some noise. While when people walk on your ceiling, there are ways you can reduce it, of course. But there's another disturbance that happens is when people talk. Like you watch television here in basement, people upstairs listen to you. People do something like that upstairs, you listen to them. So how to reduce it? I cannot say whatever I'm going to show is 100% proof, but 50% I have already achieved, and for other 50% I'm going to do this I will explain. But first let me tell you what I have done. So in my legal basement, the thing is, like, there used to be a door here, okay? This used to be connected. It's no longer connected. Door has been broken and it has been sealed from the other side. But for here, I'm going to use those panels. I'm going to come to that. But other than that, what I have done is, that is really helping. And we have done live testing for this and it really works. It's this. You see my doors, okay? I'm going to do more to improve. You see the bottom. What I have done? Yeah, door sealants. This really helps, like, to stop the noise from coming in. And I'm gonna do something here in middle also and here also. So basically when sound comes from upstairs, these are the areas from which it's gonna come to you. And same thing is for upstairs guys too. It will go from here. So if you seal this, that will really help. So that's why, like, those who live in a basement and they have a door, okay? If you seal the door, corners of the door, it's very easy. You can get such products, sites like Amazon and other. So that will really be helpful. Similarly for my furnace room, I have done something similar. Here I have sealed, and on top also I have sealed. I'm gonna do something same for my bottom also, so that this gets sealed as well. Okay, now this acoustic panel, this is really very important, that I'm gonna show you here. So I have purchased it from Amazon. So what you need to do, there's a process, right? First you need to, like these appear, what do you call, compressed. So you need to decompress them. So first requirement is to soak them in warm water, then take the water out and then dry them. And I'm going to dry them in my dryer and then leave them for 48 hours at least, so that you get the perfect dried items, and then you're going to stick on it. So I'm going to get these acoustic panels and I'm going to stick to my doors over there, okay? So this will really be helpful. Just now what I did, like, in order to test if it works or not, I called one of my family members to stand there just next to that door and play loud music on their mobile phone. They did it. I did not hear anything. Same thing, I shouted here their names a lot and they did not hear, and from the other side. So these are some things you can do that will really help you, and especially those who live in the basement. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.